Hi my dear friends, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to make flaxseed gel, and thereafter I am going to try out this gel if it is going to work on my hair or not. So if you are interested in knowing how to make flaxseed gel at home and also just to see if it is going to work on my hair, then watch this video to the end. And if you are new here to my channel, you are very welcome. I'm really happy that you clicked to my channel, and you can support my channel by subscribing, liking, and also watching my videos to the end. And for this process I am using half a cup of the seeds, and also I am going to add in 2 cups of water, as you can see. So this is a half a cup, so that's why I am doubling it up just to make 1 cup. And thereafter we are going to boil the seeds. So this is how it looks like when it is boiling, like there is a white consistency on the top. So if you want to know that it is ready, there is this white consistency that appears to be thick on the top, so that shows that they are ready. So now that our seeds are ready, we are going to squeeze out the gel using this stocking, as you can see. So it is a very simple and quick process, and there we go. And it is very heavy, as you can see, and very thick. So I'm squeezing out the gel, as you can see. So you squeeze it very hard so that the gel comes out, and that is the gel. As you can see, the gel dripping down. There we go, our gel is ready, and it is not sticky on the hands, like it is very smooth and very soft on your hands, so it is not sticky, and that is something that I really like about this gel. So this is the time to try out on my hair and see if it is going to work or not. So I'm just going to try out on a small section of my hair, as you can see. So I'm just spraying my hair with water just to make sure that my hair is soaked wet before I apply the gel. So there we go. So I'm just applying a small amount of the gel, as you can see. And as you can see guys, like this gel is already defining my hair. So it seems to be a very nice gel. You can see, like the hair is defined already, and I'm surprised and I'm loving the results. Like it feels so soft on my hair, and my hair is looking stretched. And this is something that I have never experienced, because most of the time when I try any gel on my wash and goes, like my hair shrinks and it feels crunchy, and that's why I do not do like wash and go. So this is a very good thing, and I think this is something that I want to try out next time. You can see, like, I just love the results. This gel is nice. It is. You can see the definition. My hair is soft and bouncy, and my hair is not crunchy and frizzy. Like, it's just wavy and so nice. Like, I can run through my fingers, as you can see. So I really like the gel. So let me know what you think about this gel in the comment section below. If you liked it, if it is something you are going to try it out in your home. I'm really loving the result. Like, I cannot get enough of just touching my hair, the way it is feeling on my hair. So I really like it. Please, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. So I was really like enjoying just shaking my hair just to see if it is going to bounce and just wavy or not. So as you can see, I really enjoyed everything, and I like the gel. So thank you so much for watching this video to this end. I really appreciate. See you in my next video.